Greetings, Coffee Talk community. Here is Gerson Torres, bringing you yet another thrilling, in-depth exploration of the amazing tales that underlie our world. We're talking about sex today because it's essential to all life on Earth. However, I'm not referring to your thoughts. From its modest origins in parthenogenesis to the emergence of the Y chromosome, we are revealing the history of sexual reproduction. Could you take out your coffee and let's begin? We must go back a very long distance to comprehend the origins of sex. Asexual reproduction, specifically parthenogenesis, was the earliest type of reproduction on Earth. In this simple technique, organisms created precise genetic duplicates of themselves without the aid of a mate. For single-celled species that lived in stable settings, such as bacteria and archaea, it was ideal. However, there was a significant issue. These clones were genetically similar, which made it difficult for them to adjust to environmental changes or emerging risks like illnesses. Sexual reproduction was the solution that nature, ever the genius, came up with since life needed a better plan. Genetic variety was a revolutionary contribution made possible by sexual reproduction. Simple eukaryotic cells first exchanged DNA fragments. Numerous opportunities were made possible by that minor alteration. Two kinds of gametes evolved: larger, nutrient-rich eggs and tiny, mobile sperm. Roles that we currently associate with male and female were established by this division, known as anisogamy. The evolution of sex chromosomes comes a few 100 million years later. In the past, environmental conditions, such as the temperature of a reptilian egg, influenced sex. Genetics then took over. About 200 to 300 million years ago, the Y chromosome, which controls male sex in humans and many other mammals, evolved from a normal chromosome. It grew smaller throughout time, losing most of its genes, but retaining essential ones, such as SRY. The development of male traits is triggered by this gene, and the rest is history. The game of life on Earth changed when sex evolved. Because of their genetic diversity, organisms were able to flourish in previously unattainable ways, adapt to new obstacles, and endure changes in their environment. The Y chromosome, too? It significantly influenced the evolution of species, including humans. The next time you wonder how life is so incredibly diverse, keep in mind that it all began when basic single-celled organisms learned to rearrange their DNA. That concludes today's Coffee Talk, in which our goal is always to make the complicated both engaging and simple to comprehend. For more intriguing, in-depth analyses of politics, world news, and yes, even the beginnings of life, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this exploration into the origins of reproduction. This is Coffee Talk, and my name is Gerson Torres. Until we meet again, continue to be inquisitive